Jermaine Lead Monster still here. Wanted to shoot this quick video. You're watching this because you typed in Advertsuite into YouTube, guys. It is a amazing software. I'm about to show you guys, give you guys a quick demo really quickly. But first and foremost, my name is Jermaine Steele, and you can find me over on Facebook, guys. I have been into affiliate marketing for probably about 7 to 8 years now, guys, and I have a free group, all right, that you can join. The link will be in the description of this video. If you want to understand how to do video reviews and make commissions, guys, join this group. All right, you're going to learn about video marketing. You're going to learn about pay-per-click. You're going to learn about using Facebook groups to build your business, and you're going to learn quite a few other things. But that's not why you're here. You're here because you want to know what is Advertsuite, guys. You will get some bonuses for buying through my link today. The first bonus I'm going to give you is AZ Beast Niche Marketing, which is a fan page training. I show you guys how to get cheap clicks, and then you're going to be able to get Banner Ad Frenzy, which is a product where I show you how to use banners to promote CPA offers. All right, so what I want to do real quick is let's go over to YouTube, and I'm logged in here to the Advertsuite app, as you can see, and we're going to sort by advertiser. You can do keywords, you can do domains, but I'm going to do a couple of well-known people. Like, let's do Grant Cardone, right? And you can see where his ads are put up. And why is that powerful? Because it shows you where, number one, he's advertising. Number two, where you could potentially be advertising. And number three, the types of videos and Facebook posts and Instagram and Google posts that are actually gaining traction. So again, you can look into Shopify, you can go into funnel, click funnels, things like that, right? So we can clearly see that Grant Cardone is advertising up on YouTube with these 3 videos, right? Now, if we wanted to do click funnels, just say, we'll click on search, and no data found there, but let's go over to Facebook and let's try advertiser Grant Cardone, funnel, click funnels. So again, basically it's going to tell you and show you who uses ClickFunnels, right? Who uses these types of platforms. So let's see. Another thing we could do is we can go into Instagram. We can go to advertiser, and we could do Gary Vaynerchuk. Hopefully I'm spelling this right. Click on search. All right, so it looks like there's no ads there. Let me refresh the page because sometimes I think it has to reset. But again, let's do advertiser. Let's do Gary Vaynerchuk because I know he uses Facebook. And all right, so his name's not popping up. Let's do Tony Robbins. Guys, this can be used for e-commerce. This can be used for business opportunities. This can be used for quite a few things. Now look, you can clearly see that right now Tony is running about, I don't know, 10 ads. Right? So you can get an idea of the details of the ad, right? What are the demographics, the gender, the landing page that he's using, the URL, right? When he first put it out. And why is this stuff important? Because the fact is, if he has an ad that's working and you can duplicate it, not copy it, but you could duplicate it in a way, tweak it to make it your own, right? Why not use that? He's been running this since 2014. So something like this clearly works, right? So again, duplicating the pages or the ads, things of that nature. So again, this is not all about copying. This is more about statistics. So when you get into, some different, e-commerce things, right? We might go keywords and we might say, let's just say we've got a survival niche personally. So let's just say Shopify. Let's do keywords, keyword type. Let's do add text, and let's type in survival, right? Let's search. Now check this out. This is really, really powerful simply because this is telling me like this product here, right? This shovel. That's okay. The shovel, the different types of products again that are going to be selling. So what I'm going to do is I see that this has the most comments, the most shares. I'm going to actually click on see details of this ad, and then you could save it, right? Add it to your favorites and save it for later. So this is Stealth Angel. I've heard of this company before. This is their product URL. It's telling us the demographics, the age rank, so on and so forth. All right, so really, really powerful tool, guys. If you have an e-commerce business, if you have an advertising agency, if you own a business, or if you have a business opportunity that you're promoting, Advertsuite is the product to buy. Click the link in the video below and go ahead and get started, guys. Buy the second upsell. And I'm not only going to give you those first 2 bonuses that I mentioned, but I'm going to jump on a call with you for 15 minutes. And I'm going to see exactly how I can help you in your business, guys. I do charge upwards of $500 an hour for our coaching. So definitely something that you can take advantage of. Click the link below, buy it, send me an email at affiliatebeast@gmail.com, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel. All right, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.